Questions 11 to 14 of Des O'Neill, Exam 1. Question 11 asks, what organs are necessary for the continuation of the RAS? So in the stem we can see that the RAS is diagram provided. So let's not look beyond that. Keyword here is necessary. If we follow the arrows, the cycle can continue without the arterioles, so C is out. Brain is not in the diagram at all, so B and D are out, leaving us with A. Question 12 asks what would happen if extracellular volume of blood decreased. The only thing in the stem this could relate to is the afferent arteriole. If the volume of blood decreased, there would be less pressure in the arteriole, so the answer has to be B. Question 13 says, what happens if you take a drug constricting your afferent arteriole? So looking at the afferent arteriole in the stem, we see that maybe the blood will not flow as easy. I think you need a bit of prior knowledge here because the glomerulus is located right after the afferent arteriole where filtration happens. Constriction could therefore lead to less filtration as blood will not flow as easy. Options C and D is a step too far. Nothing in the stem suggests that there would be an alternative stimulator of the RAS. Choosing this would be assuming too much. Question 14 says A and P is released from the cardiac atrium and stretch happens in high volume states. It says that A and P actions increase sodium secretion. The first part has nothing to do with the stem, but sodium excretion does. It is mentioned in step 3 of the JGA, but also in general. We know that the kidney is involved in secretion. A is not mentioned in the stem. B also is not mentioned in the stem. C is assumed. These first 3 options aim to provide a solution to lost sodium, but the stem does not propose what happens if anything is lost or excreted, so we cannot assume. D is the right answer. A bit of prior knowledge is required here to know that the water normally follows sodium through what is known as osmosis.